How to change Instagram password. To change your Instagram password, go to your Instagram app. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Go to your settings and activity. In your settings and activity, tap on the first section, Accounts Center. In your Accounts Center, scroll down. You will see the option Password and Security. At the top, select Change Password. Now select the account for which you would like to change the password. To have a new password, you will need to enter your current password. If you have forgotten your current password, you can click on Forgot Your Password, after which they will send you a link to reset your password on your email or phone number. Once you type in your current password, type in your new password. Now select the option Change Password. Once your password has been updated, you will receive a confirmation email on your Gmail. That's all for today. Thank you.